Hello everyone and welcome back to the Electronics Geek. In this video, I would be talking about 5 best embedded courses. Before going further, please do subscribe our channel and do follow us on Instagram. Let's start. And the first one is by the Coursera. Coursera is known as one of the world's largest online learning platforms that has the partner with the top universities and organizations. It offers the online courses in multiple subjects. The best part is that it also provides the courses in the embedded system and specialization that are the ideals for every individual to learn embedded system and develop a career in the embedded system. The best part is they will start from the basic concept of embedded system and move on to the advanced level, such as modeling and debugging embedded sensors and motors. After completing each courses, you will be rewarded with a certificate of completion from the Coursera. And the second one is from the Udemy. If you will see in Udemy, you will find the different courses related to the embedded system. If you want to learn the embedded system deeply with hand-on practice on the subject, then Udemy provides a list of excellent embedded courses designed to understand and learn the core aspect of embedded system. This list consists of around 29 different courses, among which the best sellers are embedded system and programming on ARM Cortex M3 or M4 processor. If you are an electronics engineer, I hope you know about the ARM Cortex processors are nowadays common in your mobile phone. Also, each class contains the additional video lectures and downloadable resource to help you understand the topic more closely. You will be getting a certificate after completing the course. And the best part of Udemy is within 1 month, if you are not satisfied with the course, you can ask for a refund. That is the best part of Udemy. You can go and learn as much as you can. And the third one is the Udacity. Udacity is also offering the embedded system course where you will be getting a holistic view of embedded system with a focus on the processor architecture, instruction set, and advanced compiler optimization. The instructors are professional trained who have been providing embedded system training from the past few years. And after finishing this course, you will have to clear the understanding of programming in embedded system, as well as you will be able to get a job easily in the same field. You can check out the course in the description box. And the fourth one is Pluralsight. If you are a beginner or experienced in embedded system, this course will provide you everything that you need to know about embedded system programming. In this course, you will be learn about limitation of the embedded processors, essential skills for reading and writing the I/O lines, configuring peripherals like analog and digital converters. They have the instructor who is the professionally trained who switched their career from the hardware engineer to the software developer. That's why they understand that what it requires to learn the embedded system programming. One of the key aspects is they will give you the 10-day free trial. If you are not satisfied with the course, that you can discontinue the course and you don't have to pay any money. The fifth one is by the Texas Instruments. This course I have been already discussed about in my previous video. If you want in more details, you can click on the I button. Texas Instruments is providing a free embedded course in which they will also provide a free microcontroller so that you can practice. That is absolutely free of course. I would recommend you go and apply right now. The link is in the description. So we have discussed all the 5 platforms which are providing the best embedded courses. Some are providing with free and some are paid. But the thing is that if you want to be an embedded engineer, then I would recommend you just join one of the embedded system course and learn hardly. Don't give up, and definitely you will be getting a great job. If you have already purchased the course before, or if you are planning to purchase, then let me know in the comment section in which platform or which course you have purchased or you are planning to purchase. If you have learned something new today, then please share with your friend, and I will be back with another video in the coming weeks. See you in the next video.